As I was saying, you know, doing in working Google Earth from web browser is not really as simple as I expected. You need to have web server running to load the KML files. So simple thing which I did is I downloaded a web like very simple web server. I modified it a little bit, and as you can see, oops, as you can see, I'm creating an instance of a web server, and this is the host. I'm sorry, this is the main web folder of the web server. This one of this instance, and this folder is nothing but this one, where we have a normal a normal HTML file which actually contains the JavaScript. This contains the JavaScript which would invoke the Google Earth in the web browser, and this is the KML file which it would invoke. Let me just run it outside like in a normal web browser and show you what it does. Okay. As you can see, wait, okay, this is the Google Earth which we can run in a web browser, and I've loaded our test KML into it. I don't know what's not running, but anyway, this is the test. This is the Google Earth. So I'm gonna achieve the same in our Java panel. Okay, oops, cancel. Just a second. Close it. Oops. All right. So what? This is a simple configuration. I'm saying web browser to navigate to. This is the web server, like here. I'm creating a web server here and asking it to be uh, to listen at this port. Normally it's like port 80, which is any HTTP port, but since we are creating a new instance of web server, this is any random, not random, but I'm taking 2012 as a port address, and then I'm asking the web browser to navigate to this address. So whenever the web browser navigates to this address, it picks up the normal index.html file, which is this file, and writing a small script here to load Google Earth here. And I'm asking it to navigate to localhost 2012 link kml.kml, which is nothing but our link, like the normal network link KML, and that's about it. Okay, let me go ahead and run it, then you'll see. This is a Java frame, and look at here. Alright. Okay. It's taking some time to load. Oops. Let me rerun it. Oh, like that. There you go. That is the error. And there's some previous process running, that's why it wasn't running. Okay, I'll run it again. There you go. And as you can see here, this is our KML file, and look closely. See, it's exactly the same as what we have done before, and don't think about the colors. I took it in an old KML file. So that was a small demonstration. Like, I can always use the web browser, but the problem here is it doesn't really work properly on Mac, and Linux it's out of the question. It doesn't even open. So anyway, we can work on it later, but that's about it. So see you later tomorrow, probably.